Welcome to our channel ScaraBeads. My name is Galina Cheremisina and today I'm going to show you Rounduo beads. These are small beads, smooth balls around 5 mm diameter, however they have two holes. These two holes are located in parallel, symmetrically, relatively to the center, but very close to each other. In the beginning, I was surprised why we need beads with two holes, but at minimum one solution came to my mind immediately. Look, even if we simply string them one after another, then due to the fact that the holes are not in the center but shifted to the edge, beads got arranged in such beautiful chain. This beauty is possible to use in jewelry making. By connecting such a beading chains from Rounduo in the bigger net, I've created golden dragon bracelet. The net full of Rounduo complemented with the beaded crosses. Here is I used Charlotte 10-0. It looks very elegant and original, very attractive technique. On the bracelet edges on the turns I've added Rounduo beads. On our channel there is a detailed tutorial about this amazing bracelet. You can see the step-by-step instruction for beading, attaching the button and loop for bracelet. It's very interesting to string the chain from Rounduo and adding seed beads between the beads. It enhances the effect of the snake. Such a chain from Rounduo and seed beads was used as a base in jewelry collection named Cleopatra. In this chain we see how beautiful Cheops Puca bead lie down on two sides. We need just to work carefully on the turns and pendants. As a result, we've got such a simple but silhouette, elegant and stylish jewelry. In the Cleopatra collection we've woven bracelet, tie, long and short earrings. Detailed tutorial as well you can find on our channel ScaraBeads. Two holes in Rounduo beads can be used in interesting solution for pendants. Look, such original silhouette you can get if you're going out from one hole of the Rounduo, string the pendant and return into the second hole of the same bead. Here is the pendant from triangles Cheops Puca. And this one is a Christmas angel on the wire. The skirt is made from Rounduo and seed beads, and wings are from chili beads. You can use Rounduo for open work projects in order to achieve airiness, easiness, and additional space between the rows. My dear craftswomen, free up your fantasy, try different combinations of the materials and beads. I'm pretty sure that you will start to get the inspiration and new ideas. Rounduo beads are produced in a rich color palette. We've seen with you the concentrated metallic colors, gold, copper, silver. It looks as well very interesting with such shade. The bead itself is matte, semi-transparent and then with a side spraying. There are a lot of totally transparent Rounduo beads of different colors. Make up your own color combinations, send us pictures of your projects to our Facebook group or to the club's email address. Create. Let's decorate the bird with our own hands. In ScaraBeads shop you can choose Rounduo beads of different colors as well as a lot of other interesting beads. See you soon again on our channel.